Hey there, Nate. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with you on Saturday, promising this short video, giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. And I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Please take these tips and use them for yourself. Now, if you could, the only thing I do ask for is just a quick sentence or two of feedback on this video, whether it be in the comments, as a response to the email, or even a call or text would be great. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I know that you said you just switched marketing agencies or web hosts, and you want to give them a little bit of time to see what they have. I don't know if they've been able to touch your website at all yet, but it's not looking too bad. I do like that you have down here at the bottom is actually my favorite part. I'd really suggest kind of making this more at the top of the page, something with the forms. Submit form, your social media icons, your phone number, where it's a click to call. That's usually a great thing to have just up in this header in one of the corners, or somewhere in the top header. Having that click to call button is a great thing to do. Really creates quick conversions for those clients that are visiting your website, or potential clients I should say, visiting your website. So the first thing that I'd really like to go over is actually content on your website. And when I say content, is everything here on your site. The words, the pictures, what's behind those pictures, even how your images are saved on your computer before they're actually loaded onto your site is readable by search engines. So it's great to have them saved as like a keyword, and when I say keyword, I'm talking something like kitchen remodeling Minneapolis. It's a great high volume keyword in your area. Now, and why does so much content matter so much? Well, Google actually has some algorithms that love content. 1,500 to 2,000 words is really where they like to see for a top ranking page. And that much content actually allows you to really squeeze in a lot more keywords onto your site. So something like that kitchen remodeling Minneapolis could be squeezed in somewhere into this text, or even as a header is usually a great spot to see if you can make that fit into the content that you have on your site, or even just get some new content, some new unique keyword rich content, and add that onto your site to try and build up more and more words that is on your site. I know 1,500 to 2,000 seems like a lot. A lot of web designers just don't know what to do with that much. But if you know what you're doing, you can really make that much content look beautiful, and it really adds a lot of power to your site in Google's eyes. The next thing I'd like to talk about is actually I'm going to go over here into this search that I did for kitchen remodeling Minneapolis. And remember I said that was a really high volume, great keyword. So if we jump over here into this tool you can see I've got a few different Minneapolis keywords here. Now, in kitchen remodeling is getting a volume of 250. That's 250 searches per month that someone's plugging that particular term into a search engine like Google. Now, and as you see here, we've got quite a few, all relating to work that I know you guys are able to and do on a regular basis. So let's go back to this search here and talk about this. We've got, of course, an ad up here at top. Now, and this person is paying per click to be at the top of the page. That's something that you can do, and it's great to do to get those quick clients in. But there are some people that'll just skip right over this. So the next area I'd like to talk about is this map pack. Now, this map pack is where your Google My Business profile is actually found, and the top 3 are usually displayed in this map pack on a search, unless you hit, of course, view all. And if we take just a quick peek at yours over here, you do have 1 5-star review, so that's great. Definitely push for more 5-star reviews. That's really going to help boost your influence in getting into those top 3. I do see that you have most everything filled out, so that's also a great thing to see. And as I scroll down, I'm not seeing a description of your business, so that's definitely something that I'd like for you to add to your Google business profile here. And when you're adding that, make sure it's unique and keyword rich, just like the content on your website. One other thing that really does matter when it comes to getting you ranked in the top 3 in this particular section of a Google search is citations. Now, citations are just listings of your business in different directories across the web. Directories like House, which I believe you are in already, Angie, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those are directories. Easiest way to find more and get into more directories is to actually just find out what directories and citations that these guys have, these top 3, get into those exact same places, and then go out and try and find even more. Now in citations will actually give you a backlink as well oftentimes, and backlinks is what I want to talk to you about for this bottom section. That's what really matters to get you up into the top when of course your website is nice and strong with that keywords and lots of content. Then it comes down to backlinks. If we take a quick peek over here at, again, this is my lovely tool called Ahrefs that I love using, and it kind of just gives me a little snapshot of what the backside of your website is currently looking like. You currently are showing for 10 domains, giving you 10 referring domains, giving you 23 backlinks, and you're currently ranking for 17 keywords. And that's only giving you approximately 1 click per month to your site. And again, I know you said that you're switching things around right now. I am showing the age of your domain. You know, you're clear back in sometime later 2018, it kind of looks like. So for this domain, I'd love to see more backlinks, more keywords, more referring domains. That's really going to help boost the strength of your website. The stronger your website, the higher up that Google's going to rank you in that keyword search, as long as you do have this particular keyword on your site, of course. If we take a quick peek at your competition, so this 612 design is that top organic section competitor there in this particular keyword. They have 46 referring domains, giving them 907 backlinks and 218 keywords that they're ranking in the top 100 for. And they're getting almost 400 clicks to their website per month. So that's kind of the biggest thing that I'd really like you to work on, in addition to the website and your Google business page, is getting more backlinks. Now, backlinks are just links from one website back to yours. That's all they are. I touched that citations will give you backlinks, but even better yet, you want to find backlinks that are related to remodeling or contractors in some way, shape, or form and have a stronger site than you. It's like a popularity contest. You're friends with popular kid, it's going to give you more popularity too. Alright, so that is all I have for you today. I wanted to keep this nice and short for you. If you'd like to know more on how I can help you grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Please enjoy these free tips I've given you. Now, if you don't mind, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you could go ahead and give me just a little bit of feedback on how I did on this video, that would really be greatly appreciated. I hope you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching.